Here. That's his? Here we go. Today we're in the town of Wausau, Wisconsin, here with Derek Steinke, and he just got a hold of me yesterday and told me of a horrible incident that happened down here, the Trappe River. Let's hear from him.
Appreciate you coming. Tuesday of last week, one of our friends at Wausau, her husband died in a car accident in the morning on her way to work. On his way to work, his car came off the road, hit some black ice into the river, and her phone and his phone, because she was first on scene, was at the bottom of the river. And I would really, you know, as a dad, and I know all the pictures and messages that are probably on there, so thought we should try and get her phone back.
For sure.
So I couldn't think of anybody better than you to come and give us a hand.
I
and
appreciate
so
you giving me a call,
yeah,
man.
we appreciate it here. We're big fans at Wausau East of your videos and what you're doing, and we appreciate you coming up and making time for us here. And
definitely tug at my heartstrings when you told me the story, and as a father, and you know, loving someone, those phones are important, and the memories, and definitely going to try to help you out today.
Yeah, we appreciate that. So
you said he's coming down the road here?
Sounds like, yeah, from my understanding, coming down the road, and it was early morning where there was ice on the road and hit it, and then came in here, and it sounds like he passed away on impact.
His wife was the first one on the scene?
Yeah. So they just live up the road, and his son was heading to work and passed and called and said that there's a car down in the river, Mom, you should go check it out. And it turns out it was her husband and his dad, and so she immediately went in the water, from my recollection from talking with her, and then the phone's somewhere down there.
I got the metal detector here today. I got my scuba gear. We're gonna get down in the water and try to find that. Just waiting for a little more information from one of the first responders.
When I came on scene, the vehicle was already tipped upside down into the Trappe River. Right down in this area, that is where the patient was with another bystander, and then also the fire chief was there. 2 other fire guys were right behind me.
Very emotional, of course, and
yeah, very emotional.
Heard they're really good people in the community, and definitely sad that they had to go like that. And you know,
exactly.
Just hope to help them today as best we can.
And then the best thing to get the, patient out to see if there was any forms of life, signs of life and that sort of thing. But the other person that was with him was of course, very close member of that family. I took care of her. She was my living patient at that time.
Well, thank you very much for that.
It's like right in here where it was.
Do you think it was possible that it might have fell out
No,
here?
she was in the water.
Hers is in the water, but I don't know about this. Came down over there, came over the culverts, turned sideways, flipped over out here. All geared up, ready to hop in the water. Search for the phone. Metal detector down here, the new one Christie got for Valentine's Day, but glad that we're using it for good purpose here.
I've only seen it done. I've never done it.
So that's one phone. That's his? Or is it's got a green back? What color is yours?
Rose gold.
Rose gold?
It's a wallet.
Okay. There's a lot of change down here too. I'll keep picking up on. It's probably better just to look first. Use my eyes. Here we go. You want me to look for more stuff?
garage door opener back here.
I can look for more stuff for you. Oh, where'd that go? Wausau East. I'll keep looking. The change is kind of hard to grab with my fingers. If you don't mind me not grabbing the change. Garage door opener, some change. There's that. Here, I'll just set that one here.
You want to just leave this right here?
Do you want me to keep looking for anything else?
We got what we're after, we got now.
Okay. Well, I didn't even need the metal detector.
You need me to help you out here a bit.
Thanks. Appreciate it, man.
Oh, dude, thank you. No idea. Bye.
Happy to help. It means a lot to me too. 35 degrees. I couldn't find it. I'd stay in there for an hour and a half if I had to.
Happy we could find it.
Yeah.
So much. It's our pleasure. We mean that. I'm so sorry this happened.
Very happy to help you. Very sorry, and you know, be praying for your family as you go through this. Glad we could help you out and be here for you.
No problem.
I really did grab some change. Yeah.
Everything. Well, I thought for sure there was going to be 2 cents in there. Because that wonderful guy always likes to give 2 cents. Right?
Well, it's a good day. Good day.
This is a good day. Oh.
Only about 2 feet apart, too. So, yeah. You are a brave woman. And very strong, courageous. I'm just glad I found everything I asked for.